Pig, Around the World with Peppa. It is almost summer break. Peppa's outside with her friends. What are you doing this summer? Asked Wendy Wolf. I am going to the park, says Peppa. Peppa is excited. She's going to spend the summer jumping in lots of muddy puddles. I am going to the jungle, says Pedro Pony. We are going to the desert, say Emily and Edmund Elephant. I'm going to the mountains, says Danny Dog. I'm going to the South Pole, says Susie Sheep. The next day, Peppa and her family are driving to the park. The car goes chugga, 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 bang, clang, bonk.
Oh dear,
says Daddy Pig.
the car broke down.
Mummy Pig calls for help. Look, says Peppa. Here comes Miss Rabbit. Miss Rabbit says it will take all day to fix the car. Do not worry, she says. You can borrow my airplane. Everyone climbs into the airplane. Mummy Pig wants to drive.
Are we supposed to be upside down?
Asks Daddy Pig. Our next stop is the park, says Mummy Pig. To jump in muddy puddles, cheers Peppa. Daddy Pig opens his map.
I see some trees, he says. This must be the park.
Where are the swings and slides? Asks Peppa. This looks like a jungle, says Mummy Pig. Peppa's friend Pedro is in the jungle. Mummy Pig lands the plane on the ground. They find Pedro. The jungle is fun, says Pedro. There are parrots and monkeys. Can we visit my other friends too? Asks Peppa. Of course, says Mummy Pig. It is Daddy Pig's turn to fly the airplane.
Where next?
He asks. Danny Dog is in the mountains, says Peppa. Danny Dog is climbing a big mountain with Captain Dog. Daddy Pig lands the airplane on the mountain. Hello, Danny, shouts Peppa. This mountain is very high. Peppa and her family fly away again. Soon, Daddy Pig sees spots of yellow sand.
It must be the desert,
he says. Mummy Pig lands the airplane on the sand. It is not easy. They find Emily and Edmund Elephant. We saw a lizard, says Edmund. It must be shy because it ran away. Then the lizard jumps on a rock.
There it is,
Daddy Pig shouts. He scares the lizard away again. Dr. Elephant sighs.
Do you have other people to visit? He asks.
Next, they fly to the South Pole. There are lots of penguins, and Susie is there. Peppa, says Susie. Peppa and Susie are best friends. They are very happy to see each other again. Peppa has fun with Susie and the penguins, but Peppa still has to go to the park. Peppa and her family get in the plane. They fly back around the world to get home. Hello, Miss Rabbit, says Peppa. We flew all the way around the world. Wonderful, your car is working again, says Miss Rabbit. Peppa and George climb inside. Flying around the world was nice, says Peppa, but something was missing. A muddy puddle. Snort, snort. Snort, snort. Thanks for watching.